Time is money. You can earn more money, but you can't earn more time. But can you? I'm going to show you how you can earn an extra 75 hours a year using your wardrobe. Are you a hardworking professional who's tired of staring at their wardrobe every morning, wondering what to wear? Or you're struggling to find outfits that align with your professional goals or your personal brand? If that's you, well, you're not alone. Many high-achieving, hardworking professionals face this challenge every morning, wasting valuable time and energy on outfit decisions instead of focusing on bigger things like closing deals, having a morning workout, or simply spending time with family before you start the day. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a streamlined professional wardrobe that saves time, reduces stress, and ensures that you always look on point every time effortlessly. A cluttered, disorganized wardrobe isn't just an inconvenience, it's a daily confidence drain. It wastes precious time, causes decision fatigue, and makes dressing up feel like a chore instead of a daily power move. If your wardrobe doesn't reflect your personal brand, you may be making the wrong impression in the office, in the boardroom, at networking events, or in client meetings. But what if I told you there is a proven way to create a wardrobe that works as hard as you do? To build a streamlined professional capsule wardrobe, you need to focus on 3 core elements. That's essentials, color, and fit. Having the right essentials saves you precious time because you never have to wonder what to wear. Here are 10 must-have professionals every ambitious professional man should own. The first is a suit in a basic color. That's black, dark gray, or navy. The reason why these colors really work is that universally anywhere in the world, these 3 colors in a professional suit always reflect professionalism, authority, and competence. The next is a crisp white shirt. This pairs well with any suit that you pick up in the morning, so again, you're wasting less time. It also goes with pretty much any color tie that you choose to pair with that. In the winter, I would go for a cotton shirt, and in the summer, I'd go for a fine Oxford, which is a little bit more breathable. That also applies if you live in a hot climate. The next item is a light blue or sky blue shirt. This is a very underrated staple in any man's professional wardrobe. Again, it pairs beautifully with any base color suit, and pretty much all ties go well with it as well. And it's a good blend of professionalism that can evolve into something a little bit more relaxed. It's a very versatile shirt. Again, I'll go for a cotton shirt for colder temperatures. And if you live in a warm climate or in the summertime, you can get an Oxford in a lighter shade of blue as well. Essential number 4 is a black blazer. We'll get onto the bottoms in a minute, but black blazer is very versatile because you can wear it with different shades of bottoms. You can wear it with any of the white or blue shirt, and it can also evolve beautifully from the office to a networking event or to evening drinks with your colleagues as well. A navy blazer serves the same purpose, so this will slot in at number 5. Again, you can pair it with a multitude of base colors in terms of your bottoms. It can match and pair with different color shirts. And again, it can be applicable in business formal or business casual situations and circumstances. Number 6, let's move on to the bottom half. Now, matching black trousers that match with your blazer are really good. You can pair them together to create a suit, but you can also pair it with different color blazers and different color shirts, giving you that versatility and bandwidth in your professional wardrobe. The 7th, same principle applies. You go for a gray trousers. Again, you can play around with the fit of this a little bit. You can go for a high-waisted, full-cut trousers with pleats to give you a little bit more dynamism and sophistication. Just adds a new dimension of style to your professional wardrobe while being very, very versatile as well. The next staple is a tan or beige trousers. Again, this really applies when you get to spring or summer, or if you work in warmer temperatures. This is a very versatile and elegant pair of trousers to wear. You can pair it with all your different color blazers, with different color shirts, and with a tie as well. Again, it blends in nicely from business formal to business casual, so you can wear it to networking events, you can wear it to business meetings. And in terms of what shoes you pair, which we'll get into in a moment, it can work with both black and brown finished shoes. For number 9, let's talk about shoes. Every man who's serious about his business and serious about his career and his achieving his goals should own a pair of black Oxfords. Buy the best your money can afford. It should be an investment. Try go for real leather, not just genuine leather, go for real leather. I will do a video on the different forms of leather and another time and what you should look for when you're buying shoes. But lace up Oxfords, well polished, just timeless and elegant, and I mean business. When you walk in the room, you just, with a pair of Oxfords on, you look like you mean business and you're here to provide value. Again, to add a dimension to your professional capsule wardrobe, I would go for dark brown shoes. Light brown shoes, I'm not a fan of. I believe that for professional settings, they just don't work. If you're going to go brown, I'll go dark brown shoes. I just feel like they mean business, and we're talking in style for business context. When you're doing casual and more social events, then you can go for lighter browns for you. But if you're doing business, I'll say go for dark brown. You can go for Oxfords, you can go for brogues, or you can go for a blend of the two. But I'll stick to Oxford brogues and maybe a derby. I actually like wearing derby shoes in more smart casual rather than business casual settings. But Oxford or brogues, lace-ups again, always lace-ups when it comes to business. Loafers are for more business casual or smart casual occasions. But if you're doing serious business, always wear lace-ups and dark brown shoes. With these staples, you can create a multitude of professional outfits by mixing and matching and using outfit formulas, and you can save precious time every morning because you literally can pick and go. On to the next principle, which is color. So when I start working with clients, I find that they waste precious time wondering if certain colors pair well together every morning. So what's the secret to making this process effortless? It's down to a 3-tier color system. First is base colors. These should form 40% of your professional capsule wardrobe. These colors are black, navy, gray, and white. These form a professional, authoritative, and simple foundation that will never let you down. The next tier is neutrals. Again, these should form around 40% of your professional wardrobe. These include tan, light blue, olive green, and brown. These pair perfectly with your base colors, creating a stress-free, seamless outfit planning process. The final tier is accents and prints. These create professionalism and polish without overpowering your look. Sticking to this formula when it comes to colors, you never have to waste precious time wondering if 2 items work together. You already know it does. The final principle is perhaps the most important one, and it's fit and sizing. Did you know that around 60% of men actually wear the wrong size? I speak a lot about this in my video, and if you want to know more, particularly when it comes to trousers and fitting, you can watch my previous video. I've put the link above. It doesn't matter how expensive your clothes are, if the fit is not right, the clothes won't look good. You can wear a cheap version of an outfit and an expensive version of an outfit. If the cheap one has a better fit, it will actually look much better than the expensive version. 3 things really which will help you get the right fit for your clothing. The first one is get good, accurate measurements. I've done a few videos on how to find the correct measurements for your trousers and your jackets. Have a look at those, have a look at my library to help you get the right sizes. The second thing is to find brands that have a sizing structure that works well for your body, that makes you feel comfortable and confident. It takes a little bit of effort and walking into different shops and trying out different brands, but in the long term, you will know your go-to brands which always do professional clothes that work right for you. The third is building a relationship with a tailor. The good thing about modern technology is that it's making tailoring and alterations a lot more accessible for people in different parts of the world and with different budgets as well. If you want help with how to find a tailor, leave me a comment below and I'll respond and share some links with you, but it's a really key point into refining your professional wardrobe. So now that you've got the formula, let's make it even easier. I've put together the CEO's 30-day outfit planner guide. It gives you pre-planned outfits for every work-related scenario, including the boardroom, networking events, business travel, smart casual, and off-duty weekends. And the best thing is I'm giving it to you absolutely free. Plus, the CEO Outfit Guide comes with a practical workbook so you can plan outfits for a full 30-day period, covering you for each calendar month, so you can begin to take back those hours your wardrobe has been stealthily stealing from you. All you gotta do is click the link in the bio or the quicker solution, comment formula in the comments below, and I'll respond with a link for you to get your CEO's 30-day outfit guide. Do that right now. Just to illustrate how powerful and important this is, the average person in Britain takes 21 minutes to choose what to wear in the morning. Women take 17 minutes, but surprisingly, men take 25 minutes choosing what to wear every morning. This streamlined wardrobe system, taken from my Luxe method, can save you up to 75 hours every single year, so that you can free up time to focus on growing your business, moving up in your career, or simply spending time doing what you love or with who you love. In my next video, I will explore the impact of your style on your professional image, both at work and on your personal brand as well. I'll attach it to this video when it's out, so strike the bell notification and don't miss out on that one. Leave me your feedback and comments. As you know, I love responding to them. I really appreciate all the comments that you guys leave. So go ahead and join the conversation in the comments. Of course, like this video, subscribe if you're new, and if you know somebody who may find this video useful, who wants to take back some of their time using their style, share this video as well. It's time to make your wardrobe work as hard as you do. That's all I've got for this one, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.